There is a paddy field and where bloom water lily flower. That is our national flower that is called water lily flower. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Describing by Ibrahim. You know that I'm Ibrahim, an English learner. So currently I'm walking on a road and that is called New Road. It was built more than 5 years ago, but it is still calling New Road. I don't know why. And if you notice that behind the road has many banana plant. The banana plant, and beside the road has a paddy field. If I show you, okay, there is a paddy field and where bloom water lily flower. That is our national flower that is called water lily flower. It is commonly found during the rainy season, and I've taken it from a person. He has picked up this type of flower from the paddy field, and he's going to market to sell this flower. And so I have taken from him, and uh, that what is my purpose. I am on the road because I have come here to practice English, and just I've performed Fajr prayer, and after performing Fajr prayer I've come on the road to practice and record a video. That why I'm making videos. I make videos to improve my speaking English and to improve my confidence. That's the reason I've come here and I'm making videos. And this is amazing. If I silent, you can hear the bird is chirping. Okay, maybe you can hear that the bird is chirping, and a empty place. There is no one on the road because now it is morning. The world is calm or silent. Everyone is busy to sleep. uh, you know so amazing weather and amazing place I've come. And if I show you, uh, do you know that is called taro plant? It is a kind of vegetable we eat. Look, and look at the sky. Just the sun has risen, cause maybe it is, I don't know what time is it, but I am walking, and it is helping me walking in the morning for my body. That's reason it is amazing. I have performed prayer, now I'm walking, I'm recording videos. So I am doing many things now in the morning. If you uh, get up early in the morning, you will get many opportunities to do many things. So have a good day and take care of yourself. If you make any mistake, take it easy.